Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We're going to be looking at the topic ratio. Our objectives are define ratio, show the three ways in which a ratio can be represented, and then we're going to solve some problems involving ratio. Ratio. It is a comparison between two or more quantities, and it gives the various portions in which the quantities are divided. So for example, we have John has 2 red marbles and 5 blue marbles. What is the ratio? You would write 2 colon 5, or you would write 2 to 5, or you can write it as a fraction, 2 over 5. Example 1. Aunt Rose shared $60 between Ashaquil and Jaquan in the ratio 4:6 respectively. Calculate the following. A. Ashaquil's total share, and B. Jaquan's total share. So first, we're going to work out the total shares. And how do we get this? Understand that this word here, respectively, see that word there? It means that Ashaquil gets the first share in the ratio 4, and Jaquan gets the second, which is 6. So to get the total share, we're going to add those two. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. That means that our total is 10 shares. So Ashaquil's total share would be, he received 4 out of the total 10 shares. And we're going to multiply that by the amount of money that is going to be shared, which is $60. What we're going to do is cancel. 10 into 10 is 1. 10 into 60 is 6, which is equals to $24. Jaquan's total share. Remember, Jaquan is receiving 6 of the total 10 shares. We're going to multiply that by the total amount of money that is being shared. So 10 into 10 is 1. 10 into 60 is 6. So that's going to equal to 6 times 6, $36. Now sometimes you might not be too sure if your answer is correct. So what you can do is you add up your totals, 24 and 36, put them together. 6 plus 4 is 10, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 will give us 6. So you notice that it works out to be the total amount of money that we had to share, $60. Example 2. Share the following quantities. 22 oranges in the ratio 9:2. So first we're going to work out the total shares, and that would be adding 9 plus 2, which is going to give us 11. So the first set of shares, 9 shares, will be 9 out of the total shares 11 times 22 oranges. And here we're going to divide out. This can be over 1. All right. So 11 into 11 is 1. 11 into 22 is 2. And that is going to give us 18 oranges. 2 shares, 2 out of the total 11 shares times 22. Again, you can have this over 1. We're going to cancel. 11 into 11 is 1. 11 into 22 is 2. That's going to give us 4 oranges. Now, there is a way of checking to make sure that your answer is correct, a visual way where we're going to have 11 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so what we're saying is 11 total shares, right? So we're going to have 11 squares. So the first 2 would represent here. Okay, so remember that was 2 shares and it was 4 oranges, right? So if 2 shares represent 4 oranges, that means 1 share would be 2. So the remaining, which will be 9 shares, and that was 18 oranges, that would be 2, 2, 9 times, and 9 2s are 18. And when you total, you're going to get the same 22 oranges that we had to share, 22 oranges. And the total shares was 11. So 2 shares equals 4 oranges. So that means 1 share is equal to 2 oranges. Okay, so that's just a way of checking your work to make sure that you are correct. Example 3. The length of wood is cut into 3 pieces in the ratio 3, 4, 5. If the shortest piece is 45 meters long, calculate the length of the longest piece and B, the total length of the wood. So the shortest piece is equals to, according to the question, is equals to 3, because we have 3, 4, 5, and the smallest number there is 3. So that's 3 shares, and it's equals to 45 meters of the wood. Let's work on the total shares. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is going to give us 12. So 1 share would equals to, if 3 shares is 45 meters, 1 share will be 45 divided by 3, which is equals to 15 meters. A, the length of the longest piece. So remember, we have it in the ratio 3, 4, 5. The longest piece, 5 shares. So 5 will be multiplied by 15. So remember, we just said 1 share is 15 meters. And that will give us 75 meters. B, the total length of the wood. Now we worked out the total share, 12. So we're going to multiply 12 by 15, which is going to give us 180 meters. So the length of the wood is 180 meters. Question. Kiana and Sonia shared a sum of money in the ratio 3-5 respectively. Sonia received $350. How much did Kiana receive? This is your question, your time to shine, your time to show me that you understand this concept of ratio. Looking forward to your answers in the comment below. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.